314.28 addresses angle or U-poles and rigid non-metallic conduit, which is PVC, and it requires a minimum distance of 12 inches between the holes. This requirement exists because PVC conduit exhibits greater flexibility compared to rigid metal conduit. A shorter distance between holes in PVC could lead to excessive bending of the conduit. However, PVC LBS and Red Dot LBS are specifically engineered for use with PVC conduit. The design differs from angle or U-poles intended for rigid metal conduit, and as a result, they are not subject to the 12-inch spacing requirement. PVC LBS are deemed legal for use in PVC conduit because they have undergone evaluation and approval by a nationally recognized testing laboratory, or NRTL, for the specific application. These components have been rigorously tested to ensure they provide a safe and effective method for pulling wires and cables through PVC conduit systems. When compared to traditional angle or U-poles, PVC LBS offer several advantages. Firstly, they have a low cost. PVC LBS are generally less expensive than Red Dot LBS. Secondly, they have an easier installation. PVC LBS are designed to fit snugly within PVC conduit, which simplifies the installation and alignment process. Thirdly, they are durable. PVC LBS are constructed from impact-resistant materials, enabling them to withstand the demands of pulling wires and cables. In conclusion, while angle or U-poles are subject to a minimum spacing requirement of 12 inches in PVC conduit, PVC LBS and Red Dot LBS are specifically designed for use in PVC conduit and are not subject to this spacing limitation. They are both legal and safe to use, and they provide a number of benefits compared to angle or U-poles in PVC applications.